In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a duplicate text box in a fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Starting off, you'll need to open up the PDF form where you want to create this duplicate text box. If you have Adobe Acrobat Pro DC installed on your computer, go ahead and launch it and then open your desired PDF file within the program. Once your file is open, look towards the top of the interface and click on the All Tools tab. This is where you'll find all the functionalities Acrobat Pro DC has to offer, neatly categorized. Next, within the All Tools menu, find and select Prepare a Form. This tool is specifically designed to assist you in creating and editing forms within a PDF file. After clicking on it, ensure that your form is properly set up for editing. Then locate the button or menu item that says Create a Form. By selecting this, you're telling the program that you wish to enter an environment that allows form editing, including additions and adjustments like the one we're about to make. Now for the duplication magic, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard. With the Ctrl key pressed, click on the text box that you would like to duplicate. This is a crucial step as it engages the multi-select functionality. While continuing to hold down the Ctrl key, drag this text box to your desired location on the form. You will notice that this action creates a copy of your original text box in the new location you've specified. This duplicated text box will be ready to mirror the functionalities and settings of the original one. To test and ensure that the duplication was successful, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen and click on Preview. This setting temporarily switches your view from editing mode to fill mode, allowing you to test out the functionalities of your form. In the duplicated text box, type in any sample text and then press Enter. The text you've entered should automatically appear in both the original and the duplicated text boxes. This simultaneous display is key to confirming that your duplication was correctly implemented. After confirming that your duplicated text box works as intended, it's time to wrap things up. Exit the preview mode, which will take you back to the editing environment. Finally, don't forget to save your work within Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to ensure all the changes are finalized and preserved. Saving your work is a simple but crucial step to prevent any data loss should any unforeseen issues occur. That's all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully duplicated a text box in your fillable PDF form. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a pro with PDF forms in Acrobat Pro DC.